students. Today I am going to teach you characteristics of entrepreneurs. An entrepreneur is a person who is responsible for setting up a business or an enterprise. He has the initiative, skill for innovation, and who always looks for maximum achievements of goals. He is a stimulating agent of change and works for the well being of mankind. Entrepreneur puts up various new greenfield projects which create wealth. It also provided large employment opportunities and leads to growth of the society and economy of the nation. Entrepreneur puts up various new greenfield projects which create wealth, and it also provide large employment opportunities and leads to growth of the society and economy of the nation. An entrepreneur is a person who starts an enterprise. Generally, he engaged in searching for change. On the economist point of view, entrepreneur is a fourth factor of production along with land, labor and capital. We know that there are four factors of production: land, labor, capital and organizer. Entrepreneur is a fourth factor of production. The sociologists feel that certain communities and cultures promote entrepreneurship. For example, Gujaratis and Sindhis are very enterprising and they are scattered throughout India or throughout the world. The various philosophers feel that entrepreneurs are innovators. They are come up with new ideas for products, markets and techniques. An entrepreneur is an individual who creates a new business bearing most of the risk and enjoying most of the rewards. Bearing most of the risk and enjoying most of the rewards. The entrepreneur is commonly seen as an innovator, a source of new ideas, goods, services and business. Entrepreneurs play a key role in any economy. These are the people who have the skills and initiative necessary to expect current and future needs and introduce new ideas into market. In simple words, entrepreneur is someone who identifies opportunity and organizes resources needed for exploiting that opportunity. Computers, mobile phones, washing machines, ATMs, online banking, mobile banking, e-commerce, etc. are all examples of entrepreneurial ideas that got converted into products or services. Entrepreneurs play a vital role in the development of a country. This is because a nation's economic growth is largely dependent on its entrepreneurs. Entrepreneurs are genuine visionaries who act as innovators, create, market, take risks, and organize factors of production to provide goods and services to society. They also create employment to large section of society and increase their living standard and increase their living standard. The word entrepreneur is derived from French word entreprendre, which means to undertake or to start a business. The concept of entrepreneurship changes from industry to industry, country to country, time to time, and also depends on level of economic development. Following is the manner in which the word entrepreneur has developed over a period of time. In 16th century, French people who led military expedition were known as entrepreneurs. In 17th century, architects and contractors of public work were referred as entrepreneurs. In 18th century, an individual providing the fourth factor of production is known as entrepreneurs. That means the word entrepreneur is changing time to time, industry to industry, and country to country. Now, characteristics of entrepreneur. First characteristic is intellectual capabilities. First characteristic, intellectual capabilities. An entrepreneur is a creative thinker. He has reasonably good intelligence. He has ability to analyze business situations. This ability will help to take proper decisions. He has ability to analyze business situations. Mental abilities refer to the combinations of intelligence and creative thinking. This is needed to make wise and sound decisions. That means entrepreneur is a creative thinker. He has reasonable good intelligence and he has ability to analyze business situations. Second characteristic is future vision. Second characteristic is future vision. Entrepreneurs are visionaries. They have the ability to predict future market trends and business environment, which helps them to take appropriate decisions. Entrepreneurs are visionaries. They have the ability to predict future market trends and business environment. We know that future is unpredictable, but entrepreneurs have the ability to predict future, which helps them to take appropriate decisions and actions at the right time. Third point is hard work. An entrepreneur is ready to work hard. An entrepreneur is ready to work hard. Hard working capacity is most important thing. It is more necessary when a new venture is started. When new venture is started, he has to work hard. In order to achieve success in business, the entrepreneur needs to work hard. If he wants success in business, he must work hard. He has to he has to invest long working hours and handle the main areas of the business independently. He must handle main areas, core area of the business independently. Next point is technical knowledge. Next characteristic of entrepreneur is technical knowledge. An entrepreneur has good technical knowledge about his business, about his product and process of production. He should have all the technical information related to his product. Entrepreneur should have all the technical information related to his product. The entrepreneur has the ability to update himself with the latest knowledge about product, process and technology. Accordingly, he must upgrade his machineries and equipments whenever required. Entrepreneur must upgrade his machineries and equipments whenever required so as to match the pace of the changing market situations. Next point is communication skills. Next point is communication skills. Basic requirement of communication is to communicate the message in right sense. Basic requirement of communication is to communicate the message in right sense. An entrepreneur needs to have excellent communication skills in dealing with customers, employees, creditors, suppliers, etc. And entrepreneur needs to have excellent communication skill. Communication skill is very essential part of the entrepreneur. He must be able to express his views, his ideas and strategies effectively. He must be able to express his ideas and strategies effectively. It is necessary that there is a proper understanding between the sender and receiver of the message. It is necessary that there is a proper understanding between the sender of the message and the receiver of the message. So, communication skill is basic requirement of the entrepreneur. It is very important skill or quality of the entrepreneur. Next point is highly optimistic. Highly optimistic. Entrepreneurs have great amount of self-confidence. Entrepreneurs have great amount of self-confidence which enables them to establish and lead their organization. An entrepreneur is always optimistic and confident even if the business is making losses. It is very important. Entrepreneur is always optimistic and confident even if the business is making losses. Such attitude and thinking not only leads his towards achieving his goals but also keeps the employees motivated. It helps him overcome any adverse situations. It helps him overcome any adverse situation. And entrepreneur has to always think positively. Next point is risk bearing capacity. Next characteristic of entrepreneur is risk bearing capacity. The risk is inherent part of business life. It is said that profit is reward of risk. Profit is reward of risk. The main aim of entrepreneur to start any business is to get maximum returns on investment, that is profit. But due to various type of risk involved in enterprise, there are chances of profit or he may suffer a heavy loss. Due to various type of risk involved in business organization, there are chances of profit or he may suffer a heavy loss. The success of any undertaking is interlinked with risk taking ability of entrepreneurs. Every business involves certain risks and entrepreneur takes calculated risks while running his enterprise. Entrepreneur takes calculated risks while running his enterprise. He is ready to face challenges and always seeks new and more opportunities. Last point, last characteristic of entrepreneur, self-confidence. Last point is self-confidence. An entrepreneur has self-confidence. And entrepreneur has self-confidence. He has positive desires to achieve his goals. To achieve his goals, such self-motivation keeps him strong and confident to face various obstacles. So self-motivation keeps him strong and confident to face various obstacles. Entrepreneur is the owner and boss of his undertaking. He must be confident about their skill, knowledge and decision taken by him. He is totally responsible for all happenings in the enterprise. He does not ask any questions about whether they can succeed or whether they are worthy of success. He may succeed in the business only with the ability of confidence. So, self-confidence is very important factor of the business organization, or self-confidence is the most important characteristic of entrepreneur.